Hello, so today I wanted to do a quick video recap of all the different videos that I have created, and these were all the wreaths I made prior to my cancer journey, but I am 1 year cancer free and we are getting ready to launch some new designs, but you are going to want to subscribe and turn on that bell so that you get a notification, because I am going to be posting a full series of how you can create your own blog using Google Blogger. And some of you are going to say, well, how is that going to help my business? Well, if you sell different wreaths and things like that, you can easily entice the customer from Instagram, Pinterest, and other places by posting those launch ads, and they're going to click on it, and you're going to have the opportunity to either share a video, describe more in detail about what you sell, put a PayPal link on there so that they can purchase your items. I know Etsy is a great place to sell things, but you can also share your Etsy listings on your blog, and you can describe more about what you're doing. So there is a lot of advantages to having your own blog and subscribers there. So I'm going to be launching a whole series in the next day or two, so you want to stay tuned. But I also have a lot of different wreaths coming up, and I'm also working on my website so I can supply you with different things if you create, say, HTV vinyl. So I'll have aprons and bags and all kinds of things that you can order direct from me so that you don't have to search for it. So if I post a video, I will have the supplies or tell you how to get them. So there's a lot of things coming up, and I just wanted to share the videos for all of these wreaths that I'm showing you now are posted below, so you don't have to look anywhere. But if you are looking for certain things, all you have to do is click on Serendipity's Closet, and you will see the different playlists so that you can click on those, and all the videos are there. But for this video, these are all the holiday wreaths that you may want to start working on, and all those videos are listed below. All you have to do is go to the description. So the first one that I'm going to share is our Grinch, because I have it in my hand. The original was the Santa hat, and many of you did make the Santa hat, and then we did part 2 and we added the Grinch face. Now the Grinch eyes are the Halloween owls from eyes from Dollar Tree, not owls but eyes, and I had these ones that I got from Dollar General. So now's the time to go to Dollar General to try to find those eyes. So I did them 2 different ways. And all the supplies are either from Dollar General or Dollar Tree, except for your plastic canvas that I always use in my different wreaths. So we have those 2, and that is the first video. But let's get into the Halloween. This is also made from the witch hat, and all I did was take the original witch hat and we spruced this up to make our wreath face out of flowers. So these items, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, I do believe, again, were from Dollar General. So you might want to go there and check out for your supplies. But you also want to get the hair, which I have not seen at Dollar Tree yet, but that is where I got the hair from. So this is another wreath. That's the second video that's listed below. Then we made this fun wreath, and I thought it was perfect for my outdoor gate. This is made out of a hula hoop, and I don't know if Dollar Tree is going to carry the small ones over the winter months, so you most definitely want to pick those up. And I had many people criticize me because I didn't have this centerpiece down the middle here. I actually created the peace sign off of a piece of jewelry I had, and it did not have this here. So there are many ways to make them. I always say be original, be creative, and don't criticize people because they want to be different. Being different is the greatest thing in the whole wide world. So this wreath is posted there, but you will notice that this piece is not on there. I put it on there because I didn't want to have to keep explaining to people, I'm different. So I put it here, and all I did was take the greenery and I twined it into the top and to the bottom. So you'll have to watch this video on how to make it sturdy, because if you just add the greenery in the center, it's going to be flimsy on you. So you have to watch the video to see how this is really stable. This is a little bit looser, but that video is posted as well. Then we have the famous Santa hat, and I have many people asking me, how did you add the ears to this? That video will be posted tomorrow, so you want to watch on how to add the ears to your Santa hat. The original Santa hat video is posted below, but I will be adding how to make your ears and how to easily attach those to these wreaths. Then we had our really fun little gingerbread man, and I believe this one here is a witch from Dollar Tree as well, the frame, and we made the small gingerbread man out of pom-poms, and that video is also posted below. But you'll have to look for these frames now because everything is coming out for Halloween, and I believe that is the frame that we used for this, so keep an eye out for those. And we had 2 different wreaths. Now, if you can find the candy cane frame at Dollar Tree, you can use this frame, and the video to create this one is also below, but we made really big ones out of the plastic candy canes, and they turned out beautiful. The one that I made, I actually donated to somebody that was sick, and they used it in a raffle, so that candy cane wreath video is also below. So we have fun new things coming up. I did find the new pumpkin form that they have, and I have a fun idea for that one, so you'll want to stay tuned. Hopefully I'll be able to post that next week. I've been working hard on the blog series because now is the time that you want to start creating your blog. Plus, I am also going to be putting a series in on how to become an Amazon affiliate and create a blog store so that you can share those links and earn a little income when anybody clicks and purchases from Amazon. So there's a lot of fun things coming up. I'm happy to be back, and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. I will see all of you really soon. Thank you for watching. Bye now.